Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to get an invoice from Fashion Nova. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what you can do, there are a couple of ways how you can get an invoice. So you can either go to your Fashion Nova website and then go to your account, your Fashion Nova account. So once you go to their website and log into the to your account, so simply click on your profile option here on your top right and then go to My Orders. So when you click on My Orders, so it will show up all the orders that you have placed so far. Since I don't have any orders with them, so there's nothing showing up. Simply select the order that you want the invoice for, open it up, and that should show you the invoice and all the order details associated with it, and that's how you can get the invoice. Or else what you can do, if you go to the help center, Fashion Nova's help center, you can just simply enter your order number, which you should have received on your email when you place the order. So that order number and then your zip code, your shipping address, hit on submit, and that will pop up all the order details including the invoice for you, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.